A very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various competitive examinations, including Services Selection Board interview. The topic that I'll be covering today will be educating the girl child, and this will be the 35th lecturate of the series. I'll be covering this particular topic in three subdivisions, that is introduction part, why require, and what needs to be done. Coming to the introduction, well, in India at present the statistics on female literacy rates are dismal. The overall literacy rate has increased from 18.3% to in 1951 to 65% in 2001. Let me just make a note over here. It's 18.3% in 1951 to 65% in 2001 as per the census, whereas female literacy rate has accounted for just 55%. Now, despite the government is trying to create awareness about empowering education, still there is a long way to cover. Now, when we consider states like Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, then it homes around 48% of illiterate population and contributes 40% of total population. Now, Kerala is the only state which has achieved the female literacy rate of above 90%. Now, coming to why is it required? Now, for overall development of a country, it is very much important that everyone gets equal opportunities, and a considerable amount of progress is shown by both the counterparts. Now, since it affects the overall development of a country, and moreover, how can a bird fly if it only has one wing? And how would everyone develop if half of us are held back? Moreover, it is important for women empowerment, which comprises of social, political, legal, occupational, economical and individual rights. Now, illiteracy forces women to be dependent on parents and later on their husbands, and because this dependency increases, it leads to so many crimes like domestic violence. Now, moreover, they are being exploited at workplaces and homes, and if they are educated, this can be stopped to some extent. They are not aware of laws and rules which are meant to protect them, and that is the reason why they are being exploited. They are being prone to child marriage, child labor, dowry, child feticide, domestic violence, which is against the constitution and which is against the law. Moreover, marriages at early age followed by number of children leads to maternal mortality and weak children, and these are some of the major reasons why the girls need to be educated. What can be done? Well, government should take initiatives to provide vocational training to educate the girl child, and this can be done with the help of non-governmental organizations and many other organizations who are working in favor of women empowerment. Moreover, programs like Padhega India, Tabhi To Badhega India is important to create awareness among the minds of people. Most of the girls are not sent to schools because there are no toilet facilities and safety measures for girls. And as per the report, around 10% of schools in India do not have facilities, specifically toilets for girl child. Well, this is being looked under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Moreover, there are girls and there are women who belong to poor and rural background, and they don't go to schools because they don't have appropriate funds. Their families cannot afford education, and in that case, government should bring up initiatives so that they fund up the education. Moreover, cooperatives like Amul in Gujarat and Lijjat are some of the successful stories which are looking after women empowerment. Moreover, gender equality should also be promoted. As per the Gender Inequality Index, India has ranked 129th among 146 countries, which is a very poor ranking. Well, so these are the major reasons why educating the girl child is important, and these are the major steps which can be taken in order to do so. So I hope this topic would have been useful. In case you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.